Do you have doubters in your life? If so, then this episode is for you. Hi, my name is Veldon Lim and you are watching Relationship. Shift your relationships, change your life. Today, I'm going to give to you tip number 2 on how to love yourself more this 2017. Yesterday, I shot a video and gave you tip number 1 on how to love yourself. And I told you there in that video that in order to love yourself more, you need to give yourself a second chance, another chance to start again. So if you want to love yourself more, you need to begin with that. You need to start again, and then start again, then start again. If for full video, you can watch that video on this page. Just look at it and be blessed by that video. But today, I'm going to give to you tip number 2. And what is that? If you want to love yourself more, you need to shun negativity. Let me tell you the story. One day, mayroong competition ng 1,000 palaka. They went into an arena and they are competing kung sino ang unang makakaabot dun sa tuktok ng tore. So, sa gitna ng arena, mayroong isang mataas na tower and their goal is to reach the top. Kung sino yung makapunta sa tuktok, siya ang mananalo dun sa contest. And so, the competition began. Nung nag-umpisa na, yung mga crowd nag-cheer at sinasabi, hindi nyo kaya yan, ang taas-taas yan. Hindi nyo kaya yan, mapapagod kayo, ang taas-taas yan. And on the 25th mark, dung 1/4 na, yung 250 na palaka, biglang nag-give up na, tumigil na. Napagod na, nakinig dun sa crowd. Maya-maya, nung the competition went along and then the crowds were cheering, hindi nyo kaya yan, give up din kayo dyan. And true enough, on the 50% mark, 500 na palaka na lang yung natitirang tumatalon. Pagdating dun sa 3/4, eto na, yung 250 nawala na naman, so 250 na lang ang natira. Hanggang sa nung parating dun sa tuktok, pabawas yung palaka. But nagulat ang lahat nung merong isang palaka na naka-reach nung tuktok. And then, after nung competition, tinanong nung nag-i-interview yung palaka, sinabi, bakit ka nanalo? Anong sikreto mo? Paano mo narating yung tuktok? Ang dami-dami nagsasabi na hindi mo kaya yan. Alam nyo, ang sabi ng palaka, bingi pala yung palaka. Kaya pala hindi niya naririnig yung mga bashers, yung mga doubters, yung mga negative people around him. What's my point, my dear friends? If you want to move forward, if you want to reach your goals this coming 2017, if you want to have a new you need to start by shunning negativity. Huwag niyong pakinggan yung mga negativity, huwag niyong pakinggan yung mga doubters ninyo, huwag niyong pakinggan yung mga bashers ninyo. And maraming mga taong ganyan sasabihin sa'yo, hindi mo kaya, mag-uumpisa ka na naman ng New Year's resolutions, hindi mo magagawa yan, papapayat ka ba, hindi mo naman magagawa yan, lagi ka nag-fail, hindi ka nababait. Ang daming doubters. Pero itong gusto kong sabihin sa inyo, yes, you shun them, pero alam nyo, minsan ang pinakakailangan nating tigilan is our self-doubt. Your doubts on yourself, your pessimism, you need to shun them. Stop negativity in your life if you want to move forward to a new you this year. That's tip number 2. Tomorrow, I'm going to give to you tip number 3. Yes, you start again, and then you shun negativity. God bless you. Again, this is Veldon Lim. Thank you for watching this show. I'll see you tomorrow. God bless you.